Hello everybody, welcome to another episode tracking the restoration of the 1969 MGB GT. And as you can see, there's something missing. We have the engine out. I spent last night removing the engine from the MG in order to get at that core plug, and I'll show you that mess in a minute. In the meantime though, I've been left a nice clear engine bay, which I'm going to degrease, touching any areas that need painted, clean up bits and bobs. Don't worry that gearbox is not hanging onto cable ties, it is actually supported by a jack. Put the heater back in there, generally make it all nice and tidy. We had planned to take the engine out, put it back in last night, but then we thought, well, it's out, so we might as well have it painted. Excuse the mess. As you can see, the Land Rover is missing. It's the way down to alternative storage, and this is the block. So it's out. I've just drenched it there in engine degreaser. Hopefully clean the block down, made sure not to get any of the oil holes or passageways, keep the dirt away from those. Resting on a tray because it's quite oily. So what I'm going to do is degrease it, paint it up, make it look a bit smarter. Now, this is the offending port where the leaking core plug was. And if you look here carefully, this is the core plug. That had a hole rusted on it. This is a JB weld or something similar, which was then squeezed into it, and then there's a wood screw put through. Really, you couldn't credit it. The amount of effort that had to go to do that, really I don't know why the person who did it didn't just remove the clutch flywheel and back plate and do the job properly. Very frustrating, but anyway, it's my job to do it right now. As you can see, more degreasers on there. I'm going to pull the other 3 core plugs out, replace them as well, and give it a bit of a clean round in there, because as you can see it looks pretty manky and rough inside the water jacket. Interestingly, the block is green in behind the back plate. I'm sure someone will comment and tell me why that is, but I thought that was quite interesting. This is the back plate here and the clutch. While I have it all apart, I'm probably going to replace the clutch. Don't really want to have to go in there again. Overall the engine seems in fairly good shape. Take the sump off, paint that new sump gasket, because that can be a bit of a headache to do when it's back in the engine bay. So, next video we see, hopefully the engine will be painted and be back in the vehicle. I've sourced a new cylinder head, so I'll make a video of that soon, and a few other bits and pieces. Okay, thank you very much for your continued support of the channel. Please hit the subscribe button, which should be appearing on screen now. Keep in touch, keep commenting, let me know what you think, and any suggestions or comments are always very welcome. Thanks.